Apple will replace faulty iPhone XS, iPhone SX Max, and iPhone XR smart battery keys for free. Yes, guys, you heard it right. Apple is offering replacing of faulty iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, and iPhone XR smart battery cases for free. If you are also facing the problem, the company has launched its free replacement program for all iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, and iPhone XR owners. Apple says that the some faulty smartphone battery cases were sold in the year of 2019 for the mentioned phones, and the Cupertino giant claimed that the cases might give charging issue to users, which is why Apple is offering a free replacement to affected users. If you are facing any issue, then you can head to any authorized device provided to get it replaced for free. Yes, guys, Apple has reminded the seven smartphone battery cases made for iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, and iPhone XR may experience charging issue, and affected smart battery case may exhibit one or more of the following behaviors. Apple says one of the issues could be the battery case will not charge intermittently when plugged into power. Battery case does not charge the iPhone or charges it intermittently, and the company said in any of these cases, Apple says that it will replace the case for free. Affected units were manufactured between January 2019 and October 2019, and the brand also said Apple further asserted that the affected ones don't pose any safety threats, but they might not just function properly. So yeah, guys, so first that let me know what do you think about it, and yeah, I will see you in my next one, please.